Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Before you begin, enable two-step verification and set a strong passcode. Use a dedicated account or secondary phone number to protect your main identity. Turn off contact syncing when researching unknown channels to reduce exposure. Back up important chats and export settings before extensive searching. Review Telegram privacy settings and disable recommendations if you prefer anonymity. Keep a secure password manager ready for any new credentials you must store. Be cautious with links and never share personal documents during searches. Start by searching exact usernames with that symbol to find public channels. Use specific keywords, quotes, and language filters to narrow down results. Apply filters for media type and date to isolate relevant posts quickly. Explore mutual groups and related channel suggestions shown on channel pages. Check channel descriptions, post history, and pinned messages for hidden invites. Inspect forwarded messages for originating channel links and original usernames. Save useful links to a private notes chat for later review. Use channel discovery bots to list similar channels and reveal invite patterns. Join reputable public channels briefly to view references and cross-links in messages. Inspect invite links for parameters and group ID before joining any channel. Use a temporary account when testing suspicious links to reduce risk to your main account. Verify source credibility by checking admin usernames and cross-platform references. Report abusive or illegal channels to Telegram using the report function. Leave and clear history from any.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.